Welcome back to Scrapping with Cynthia. Today I'm going to set up an outdoor Mother's Day brunch. These are some of the materials that I'm going to be using outdoors. Candle holders. I've already had these napkins. These were from Christmas about 2 or 3 years ago. I might be using these little things. I did purchase these little round wood trays, and I purchased these little wooden dowels or coasters or whatever you want to call them. And I also purchased this little lantern, and I pretty much got this stuff on sale, as you can see. Then I have an outdoor candle, maybe using these placemats, and this candle holder. A majority of these things I've already had for a long time. The ones that you see the tags on are recently purchased, and they did come from HomeGoods. These come in a package of 8, so I'm going to double them up because I only have 4 settings. This is a piece of rug gripper that I had left over from one of my carpets, so I'm going to use this as my little tablecloth. I've already bought out my 6-foot table over there in the corner that we're going to put food on. And I've cleared this table off, put most of my plants on the ground. Trays to hold the food. Texas weather is so unpredictable. Just in case it rains, I'm going to do an indoor Mother's Day. And I'm going to be using the color lavender and pearl. I removed 2 of my chairs, those 2 head chairs, because I'm only going to do a place setting for 4. Can't nothing dress a woman up like pearls. You know your mama always loved those pearl necklaces. And boy, when she put that pearl on, she was beautiful. So we're going to honor her today by bringing out those pearls, those pretty pearls. Look at that mama bird sitting in her pearls. I remember when my grandmother used to put that pearl necklace on and her lipstick and head off to church, and she was outstanding. Okay, all these little jars have a saying on them. You may not be able to see most of them, but it's like, yes, mama, busy mama, number 1 mama, mama bear,